Okay, so what I do is I go up here to create, and then basically what you'll do is you can just kind of, all of this stuff over here is what you can kind of add or whatnot. So let's say I'll start with like a dress, and if it has like a body in the picture, it'll be on here when you add it. You know, obviously it'll take the background out or whatever, but I mainly just use like the ones without that. So let's say that I'll just use this little floral dress or whatever. Then I can kind of move that over, and you can like move the opacity like this. And the reason that matters is because you'll get some white shirts or white shorts and things that will like kind of disappear, and you're like, what's going on? And all you have to do is change that little dial up there. And then I'll go over here to men, and I'm gonna choose a top. Obviously there's like 96 pages and I don't want to do that. So I'll just go up here and I'm gonna click like this green color because I want to see if I can find something to kind of pull that out, but I don't know if I'll end up liking it or not. I don't know, whatever. But you get the idea. So I kind of want one that's like laying out. I don't know. I don't like any of these. Whatever. We're just gonna use this one for now. And then I can like make it smaller and whatnot and turn it, and then I can put like to pants and get let's see. No. Normal khaki pants. There we go. And then to get this to go like on the top of it, I'll just like put click the one that you want on the top. There you go. And then I really don't like this folded shirt. I'm gonna have to change that. Sorry guys. And then sometimes I just do this, like button up here at the top and then go through, because it might just be that I like find something that you know, I didn't necessarily expect to like, you know, like if it's a pattern or I don't know, something like that. But so basically for my clients, I just try to do this like every so often. I'll like for like spring, summer, fall, winter, whatever, I'll make these things. You know, we're just gonna choose this little like pink color here. And then let's see, good. And then you can even go over here to like, there's like the shoes, but first I'm gonna go back to the girl and I'm gonna pick some accessories. So there's 181 pages of jewelry, so that's definitely a thing. And then, and if there's like things that you like, you can come over here and like, let's see, put this little heart, and then I can go over to my favorites. I can filter it by like my favorites, my likes, and then you know, kind of routinely put in like, so these khaki pants, that would be something I would use a lot, and so I might like routinely just kind of put that in. And then I'm gonna search for like some kind of necklace. I don't know, maybe not. We'll do heels. And I love it because they have like, you can add shapes and you can add text. Like you can actually design like a magazine looking like cover. Just all that kind of stuff's on here. But I'm gonna go for shoes. And we're gonna do these little pink little heels because why not? You know, or whatever. Now I usually do this for families and not just like a couple, just because I think that people get really overwhelmed when there's like not, so they don't separate guys and girls like kids. So there's that. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and finish this one out and save it for my people. So let's see. I'm gonna go actually to a little kid's dress. And I wonder if I can find one in that little like green color, because sometimes I have to do the color search twice, but I don't know if that's just my computer or if it's like the program or what. But so those are all too patterned, but sometimes if I click like a different green, other dresses will show up. So I don't know. Let's see. Or I might go for like a really neutral. Sometimes I go up here and I'll sort by like most popular. Yeah, so a lot of people will use like neutral colored dresses or whatnot. So let's see. I don't want that white next to the cream. What is this? Yeah, and basically if I don't like something, I just like backspace it on my computer and then we're good. So, we're gonna pretend that they have a little girl and she's gonna wear this little thing. And I didn't mean to do that. And basically while I'm looking for other things, as I'm looking, so it's not like a waste of time, if I like find something I will like, I can just go over here and like it, and then I'll go up here next time and like use it to make whatever it was, you know, that I had just saved. Let's see. And if you don't like any, what is this? If you don't like anything they have, you can actually import your own photos and stuff too with these little folders here. So that's cool. But and I might actually just like type in green up here and see what happens. Here we go. So they're gonna have two little girls. And then I'll go over here to the shoes. Actually didn't mind those. No. Okay. For her, I'm just gonna do some like basic brown sandals. And then we'll put them down here to make this look simpler. And then for the baby, let me type in French. I wonder if they have any of like those little moccasin things. Yes, they do. I'm gonna go cream. And then for the last thing here, whoops, is I will do, oops, not that. Go to the men shoes. I'll put in brown. We'll just do like a normal, whoa. Dress shoe. There, or whatever. So that's kind of what I do. It's fun. And I think too, like, they have, so for like girls, they also have like beauty items you can throw in, or like just to like take up space in certain spots. And then they also have, for kids, like really adorable little like toys that are just cute and picturesque and not like, well, some of these aren't, but these ones are cute. So, let's see. So even if I like wanted to like, oh, we're gonna have her bring her little toy camera because that's precious, you know, or whatever, like all the things, like you can just add stuff. So, and then whenever you're done, you'll click publish. Yeah, so this is like a social media thing. So, I publish mine publicly because I don't really care, but I'll do like pink and green, photo session outfit. But you can do it to where it's like private or whatever. So I click publish. And then I just save it to my computer. Pink and green. And then we're good.